Hello guys, actually I am going to show here how to create virtual instance in Google Cloud Platform. So first of all, those are want to create the virtual instance in Google Cloud Platform. First of all, you will have to create one account, whether it is free account or company account, whatever. So first of all, you will have to click on navigation menu. In navigation menu, there is a option compute engine. In compute engine, you will have to click on VM instance. Once you click the VM instance, then this window will show. Then there is an option to create the instance. Click on create instance. So in Google Cloud Platform, like we can create Linux based server or Windows based server. So let me put the instance name. Let me put server test. In the region and zone in Google Cloud Platform, there is a concept region and zone. So for like I am nearer to Mumbai region, so let me take the Mumbai region. Then there is three zone in Mumbai region. Let me take any one like SES South 1A. So then we'll have to check the machine configuration like general purpose and compute optimized. That is a powerful one. So based on the server load, we can choose. So for the testing, we can take the normal one like machine type. I can choose the F1 micro, and we can choose the operating system. There is a option we can change the operating system also, like here the public image, like say operating system by default Debian. If I want to take other one also, Windows Server, Ubuntu, Linux, Red Hat, containerized, optimized operating system, all those operating system is available. Custom image also available. We can create a machine and snapshot. I'll create a separate video for snapshot and custom image, how we can create the instance, and existing this how we can create the image, and then we can create the instance that we can create. I will create the separate video for this, but for the time being I'll explain the public image which is already available. So let me take the default one. So I take the default one, and then before I am going to create, then the identity and the API access, like the default one, and we can also choose full access of cloud API or access of set access for each API. And there is a concept of firewall rule for HTTP and HTTPS. Also, we can create manually the firewall rule for this particular server. I'll create separate video for the firewall session. So let me create. Then we'll see within the second the server will create. So now my server is provisioning. As you can see, in why I got this error, because there is no option to create the instance in this particular region. There is not enough resource available to fulfill the request. if I'll change the region, like if I'll select the US Central, so we can able to create, because this is the free account I just want to show. So for Mumbai location there is no option to create the uh, VM instance. So let me take the US Central region so that I can able to create test VM. Let me stay in US Central one, and let me stay with the default one, and let me create. You can see it will be successfully, it will be create the virtual instance here. You see, within the second my virtual instance created. So if I want to log in, here there is SSH, and the default, I just take the default network. So the firewall, also the firewall rule, the default firewall rule are available for this particular VM. Also we can check the network details for this particular VM instance, and we can stop, we can reset, we can delete, uh, we can check the logs as well. So let me check the let me check the network details for this particular VM. You see, this is the network interface details, and the VM instance details, of firewall and routes details, and the network analysis details. You can see, and I'll create the separate video for this particular uh, thing. So now I can able to log in. Just click on SSH, then we can able to log in to this particular VM. So this is very easy way to create a server in Google Cloud Platform. So those are interested to create the compute engine. So it will be helpful for how to create and how we can log in. I successfully I log in that VM. Whatever the perform we can do here, but this is for simple video to how we can create the VM instance. This is the Linux based VM. Also I'll create separate video for how we can create the Windows server, that I will create. So this is all about how we can create the compute instance in Google Cloud Platform. Thank you guys. Hope you will create how we can create the virtual instance in Google Cloud Platform.